using the Eco Styler in the area where I want the ponytail up to this one general area and gather up the back, right? And base it together, and okay, you good. Use your scrunchie. You're gonna use a really good amount. And for the back, you do the same thing for the back. My puff normally lasts, my ponytail normally lasts me about 2 or 3 days. So the ponytail is slick. That's once. Can't get no easier than that. Thanks for watching. And if you notice, I just have some gel just along my edges. It would be easier. And I'm using this. Let's see, okay. This was kind of easy on this side. And that's my edges.